today we are headed over to KINSLEY James Bridal in LA to go try on some engagement party dresses. I am deep in the weeds of planning an engagement party happening in March, and so we're gonna go try on some dresses. Might get a little crazy and try on a dress or two of the real kind, like the wedding kind. Wedding is not planned to be happening until like May, June 2024, but as I'm planning, I'm learning how in advance you have to actually get your dress. So like, realistically, I'm not that far out of being able to go actual wedding dress shopping. So get excited because this year's wedding and engagement content is going to be, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. If any of this engagement talk is new to you, I just uploaded a Q&A talking about the entire proposal and also some wedding planning questions. And then on top of that, there is a almost 2-hour long episode over on Wild Till 9, obviously with Jeremy as well, walking through the entire proposal and everything that went into planning it. So I'll have a link to that video and also the podcast episode if you wanna go hear the backstory. But oh my god, I'm so excited. I've got some ideas, but outside of trying on like random Wish and Amazon dresses, this is the first time that we're like doing this for real. And I would love to hear everything and anything from you in the comments about engagement and wedding planning, especially if you're LA based and have recommendations for wedding planners or venues to look at or photographers or like wedding invite people. I am on the hunt again, deep in the weeds of planning, and I am so excited. Or even if you've just like attended a wedding that had a really fun element, I would love to hear all about it. And let me know what you think of all of these dresses, but like nicely. Let me know what you think of the dresses, but like nicely without hurting my feelings. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're at KINSLEY James in West Hollywood. This is my first time ever being in a proper bridal boutique, and bitch, let me just say, you feel like an absolute princess and it feels like playing dress up, except for that it's real this time. I chatted with the stylist via DM before my appointment, so she had already gone ahead and pulled some short minis for me, and because so much of what they offer can be customized, she also threw some other fun, longer styles into the mix.
Wow, I love this. It looks like it's really pretty. Gorgeous. So cute. You really like the cut in the front. It's like I've never seen that before, but I like it. Yeah.
I wanted to try to find the balance of being present in the moment with the friends that I had brought and also capturing the try-on process. So here we go. First up, we've got this mini by Kim Casas. Oh my god, the detail on this one was incredible. I had screenshotted this one specifically to try on, so was super excited for this to be the very first one of the entire experience. It was the perfect mix of sequins and glitter and shiny and pearls and beading and lace, literally so stunning. And there's definitely a high chance that I revisit this dress at some point during this whole process. It has some structure in the bust and straps that can be worn on or off the shoulder. I think with this one, the one and only issue, and like truly the only issue, was the time crunch that we would be in to get a custom fit within the next literally month and a week.
Give me your water. Give me your water. It's very romantic. I love the back. The back is so good. The bottom too, like this part. Yeah.
Another one by Kim Casas. I really did not expect to like it as much as I did. I never envisioned myself as a sleeves girly, especially with any kind of puff detailing, but I really did like this one. And the half train situation was pretty fun and felt kind of like the perfect amount of playful for an engagement party. The bottom hem of this one was so pretty, and I am just obsessed in general with Kim Casas as a designer. I was also thinking about the venue of the engagement party, which isn't anything like super luxe or fancy. So even though I liked the long back part more than I expected to, I was a little worried that it might get stepped on, or worse, I'd like trip, eat shin, end up face first in like a table of snacks.
It's very ballerina. The back is cute. Like, I'll keep the back. Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, the back is really pretty. That was so cheesy.
Okay, this one is definitely not my style, but I knew that it would be so fun to try on because so bouncy, so bouncy. The detailing on the back was also stunning, and overall it fit really well. It was giving ballerina vibes like the White Swan, but like from the movie Black Swan. I think this one, even though it did fit really well, like the size was right, it just didn't accentuate my favorite features about myself and overall like my body shape and just like how my body is structured, which was definitely a learning moment. And regardless of it not being my personal style, I'm just so incredibly impressed by the detail and complexity that go into all of these dresses.
So cute. The sleeves are so
Yeah, the sleeves are cute, right?
This is giving engagement party.
Yeah. The sleeves are so pretty. I never thought I'd be a sleeve girly. This one by Natalia Valentine was really, really pretty. Another unexpected sleeve moment that I liked so much more than I anticipated. There was a wire structured V-cut in the front that I loved, and I'm definitely taking note of for future wedding dress try-ons. It was so flattering. And what I love about Kinsley James too is that any note that I had about each dress, they had an almost immediate solution for, because so many of the dresses are customizable. So for example, on this one, there's that band around the waist and hips that looks a little bit darker because there's extra backing, and she was just like, yeah, we can just like change that.
This is very wedding. Wear some strappy heels. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Oh, it's very classy. It's so classy.
Ooh, okay, this Untamed Petals dress was so fun. Like, if there's ever a time to have a giant bow on your butt, it is your bachelorette or engagement party. This one was just like sleek and classy and clean, and with perfect tailoring would definitely be something I would do for like a bachelorette photo shoot or something. The bow was also removable, which gives you some added flexibility. Oh shit, oh my god, okay. And then Netta Ben-Shabu is one of my all-time favorite wedding designers, and I was able to try one on just to start getting excited about the process. And bitch, oh my god, I've never been the type of wedding girly that's like, I'm gonna be a princess, but wow, like this was an experience. Like, this is a whole ass gown. Obviously, I'm so in love with this dress, but it isn't the one. So I'm giving you the full tour of this dress with so many more dress try-ons to come when we do the real thing. It is a week later and I am back. I'm doing official fittings to do measurements. I'm in between sizes for either the runway sample or the in-store sample because obviously it's a really quick turnaround. So I'm gonna go in and try both on and see which makes more sense to do alterations on because again, a very quick turnaround. I also tomorrow am going to tour and confirm the engagement party venue, which I'm really excited about. So that will be in a vlog, probably going up on the vlog channel next week, but oh shit, it is all happening. I also already got to watch back a lot of the edited together footage of the dress try on, and I wish that I had had more time to like vlog and give you full on like dialogue and reactions to each one, but I really did want to try and just be like as present in the moment as possible. And this isn't like the official wedding dress try on day, obviously, and I do have a date for that. I think at the end of April is when I'm coming back in to try on wedding dresses. But overall, I wanted to be able to just like be in the moment, and I also didn't like want to hog too much time. So I tried to just be like as efficient as possible to try on, I mean, I think it was 7 dresses total, and then also get a lot of footage and photos and do all the things without like hogging too much of the space. So anyways, that is kind of where we're at now. I'm so excited to see the dress again and put it on, and just it feels so much more official now. I'm excited.